Mercury LN7 funny car Budweiser King go-kart. Now this is from the 80s. This is again all original mint.
1943 Clark Door 6 military tug. Price $1,700. Location Ball Ground, Georgia. A true piece of American wartime history, this 1943 Clark Door 6 tug brings back the rugged charm of vintage military equipment. Built with purpose and durability in mind, these compact workhorses played an important role moving aircraft and heavy equipment during the World War II era. Powered by a Chrysler flathead straight-six engine, the tug runs great and delivers the dependable performance these machines were known for. The simple mechanical design, sturdy construction, and unique appearance make it a fascinating addition for collectors, museums, or anyone who appreciates unusual vintage machinery. Rarely seen outside of collections, this Clark Door 6 offers a chance to own a piece of industrial and military history. Whether displayed as a conversation piece or enjoyed as a working antique, it carries the character and authenticity that modern vehicles simply cannot match. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1923 Ford Model T T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price $17,000. Mileage 1,234 miles. Location Brooksville, Florida. Completely rebuilt and finished in a stunning blue exterior with a classic tan interior, this 1923 Ford Model T T-Bucket is a true example of traditional American hot rod craftsmanship. The open-wheel design, low stance, and aggressive attitude give it the unmistakable look that made T-Buckets famous. Sitting under the hood is a fully built 400 SBC V8 topped with a B&M blower forced induction setup, creating the perfect combination of old-school style and serious performance. The powerful engine setup delivers the rumbling exhaust note and instant attention that every hot rod enthusiast appreciates. Carefully redone from top to bottom, the build showcases a clean finish and a strong street presence. The blue paint, tan interior, and custom details come together to create a car that looks just as impressive parked at a show as it does cruising down the highway. 1965 Factory 5 Shelby Cobra Replica. Price $35,000. Mileage 6,500 miles. Location Dayton, Ohio. Built in 2009, this Factory 5 MK3 Shelby Cobra replica captures the legendary look and attitude of one of America's most iconic sports cars. Finished in a unique charcoal gray, the car delivers a perfect balance of classic styling, modern performance, and handcrafted detail. Power comes from a Chevrolet LS1 Gen 3 V8 engine, providing strong performance and the unmistakable sound of a modern American V8. Combined with a 5-speed manual transmission, the setup creates an engaging driving experience that puts the driver right in the middle of the action. Carefully assembled with attention to detail, the build includes an upgraded sound system and comes with the original paperwork for the parts used during construction. That documentation adds extra value and gives the next owner a complete history of the build. 2017 Throw-in Dirt Economod/E-Mod Race Car Roller. Price $4,500. Location Cambridge Springs, Pennsylvania. Built for the dirt track and ready for a new racing setup, this 2017 Throw-in Dirt Economod/E-Mod roller is a solid foundation for any racer looking to build a competitive machine. The chassis offers a great starting point for someone wanting to add their own engine, transmission, and race components. Coming with a large collection of extra parts, this roller gives the next owner plenty of options to complete the build. The motor, transmission, seat, and gears are not included, allowing racers to customize the car with their preferred combination and setup. Designed with dirt track competition in mind, the car features the aggressive stance and purpose-built construction expected from a dedicated race machine. It's an excellent opportunity for someone looking for a project chassis or a backup build. 2002 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D. Price: $1,234. Mileage: 109,000 miles. Location: Greenville, Tennessee. Representing one of Chevrolet's most iconic performance platforms, this 2002 Corvette Coupe brings classic C5 styling together with serious aftermarket upgrades. Finished in a unique beige exterior with a black interior, it has a clean look while hiding a much more aggressive personality underneath. Equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission, Stage 3 BTR cam, fully built lower end, and a custom tune, the car has been transformed into a more exciting driver's machine. The LS-based powertrain delivers the strong V8 performance and unmistakable exhaust note that Corvette enthusiasts love. Built for someone who enjoys a connected driving experience, the manual gearbox and performance upgrades make every road feel more engaging. The C5 Corvette's lightweight chassis, sharp handling, and proven engine platform continue to make it a favorite among American sports car fans. 1973 Volkswagen Beetle Bug. Price: $6,900. Mileage: 74,345 miles. Location: Lead, South Dakota. Finished in eye-catching orange with a black interior, this 1973 Volkswagen Beetle captures everything enthusiasts love about the legendary Bug. Its timeless curves, unmistakable silhouette, and simple mechanical design have made it one of the most beloved classic cars ever built. Powered by an AK code 1,600 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine backed by a 4-speed manual transmission, the Beetle offers the engaging driving experience that made these cars famous around the world. A newly installed carburetor helps keep the engine running strong, making it an enjoyable project that can be driven and improved at your own pace. Showing a clear vehicle history with no significant reported damage, the car presents an excellent opportunity for someone looking to preserve a classic or add their own personal touches. Whether you choose to keep its honest character or give it a full restoration, the foundation is already in place. 1973 Volkswagen Beetle Bug. Price: $6,900. Mileage: 74,345 miles. Location: Lead, South Dakota.
48-volt system, brand new batteries. One of a kind. Working door.
Finished in eye-catching orange with a black interior, This 1973 Volkswagen Beetle captures everything enthusiasts love about the legendary bug. Its timeless curves, unmistakable silhouette, and simple mechanical design have made it one of the most beloved classic cars ever built. Powered by an AK code 1,600 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine backed by a 4-speed manual transmission, the Beetle offers the engaging driving experience that made these cars famous around the world. A newly installed carburetor helps keep the engine running strong, making it an enjoyable project that can be driven and improved at your own pace. Showing a clear vehicle history with no significant reported damage, the car presents an excellent opportunity for someone looking to preserve a classic or add their own personal touches. Whether you choose to keep its honest character or give it a full restoration, the foundation is already in place. 2007 Club Car T-Bucket Custom Golf Cart. Price, $7,999. Location, Hamburg, New Jersey. Inspired by the legendary 1923 Ford T-Bucket hot rod, this one-of-a-kind custom golf cart blends vintage street rod styling with the practicality of a modern club car chassis. Built on a 2006 club car frame, it captures the unmistakable look of a classic hot rod in a fun, compact package that's guaranteed to draw attention wherever it goes. Fitted with 6 brand-new 2026 batteries, the cart is ready to hit the road, campground, neighborhood, or car show with reliable electric power. The custom bodywork and unique design set it apart from ordinary golf carts, giving it the personality of a show-quality cruiser. Crafted with creativity and attention to detail, the build delivers the nostalgic charm of a traditional T-Bucket while offering the easy operation and low-maintenance benefits of a club car. It's the kind of custom vehicle that sparks conversations and attracts smiles everywhere it's parked. 2022 Eagle 87 40ths Roller. Price, $15,000. Location, Mount Joy, Pennsylvania. Fresh from the chassis shop, this brand new 2022 Eagle 8740 Roller is built for racers who want to start with premium equipment instead of spending time upgrading later. Wrapped in a lightweight carbon fiber body, it offers the ideal platform for assembling a front-running dirt track machine. Loaded with top-shelf hardware, the chassis features Smith titanium bolts, titanium suspension arms, titanium stops, a titanium rock screen, lightweight Kaiser hubs, a 50-inch front axle, and a billet Pitman arm. Proven Penske monotube single adjustable shocks provide the precise handling and consistency racers count on every lap. 1980s FW and Associates Mercury LN7 funny car style go-kart. Price, $4,500. Mileage not available. Location, Scottsdale, Arizona.
Here's a very rare Kenny Bergenstein Mercury LN7 funny car Budweiser King go-kart. Now this is from the 80s. This is again all original mint, never been fired. Built by FW Associates right here in Tempe, Arizona, Tucson, Arizona, Tempe, Arizona. Yeah, Tempe, Arizona. All original decals, stickers. Again, never been fired. Original tires, never driven. Tag still on the engine. It's got a big Briggs & Stratton 5-horse engine. This thing is like brand new, nearly like brand.
A unique piece of drag racing nostalgia. This 1980s FW and Associates Mercury LN7 funny car style go-kart brings the excitement and attitude of professional funny car racing down to a miniature scale. Built to resemble the famous Budweiser liveried Mercury LN7 funny car driven by Kenny Bernstein, this collectible go-kart is a perfect conversation piece for racing fans, collectors, and anyone who appreciates vintage motorsport memorabilia. The fiberglass body captures the aggressive look of an 80s-era funny car with its bright red finish, black tubular steel chassis, and authentic-style Budweiser King of Beers graphics. The design includes white racing stripes, Mercury and Motorcraft logos, number 3 race markings, Kenny Bernstein and crew names, faux windows, simulated grille details, headlight and taillight graphics, an air scoop, and Simpson-style parachute details at the rear.